Hi guys, welcome to my channel kasumikriss. My name is Crystal, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to clear your mind. Before I start with this video, I want to wish you all a happy new year. I hope it was a beautiful transition of the year 2017 towards 2018, and I hope you also had an amazing Christmas. I sure did. It was transcending. I want to give a big shout out to all my Patreons who have supported me throughout the whole year. I wasn't even expecting it, but you guys are so awesome. Just for once, I'm going to shout out all of you. I hope we continue to get to know each other more. I'm so excited. It's going to be awesome. Now, this video I have been planning on making a very long time, and I finally got to it. So let's get started. These ways on how to clear your mind definitely work for me, so try them out and see what works for you. My mind gets chaotic when I'm surrounded by mess. I get distracted by a piece of paper on my desk. I get distracted by books not being stacked neatly. This gives a lot of clutter of thoughts in my head. OCD might have something to do with that, yet I do feel clearer in my head when my surroundings are clean. I sometimes set an alarm from 10 to 20 minutes and clean up anything that is bothering me within that time frame. A clean space lifts me up into higher vibrations. It is as if the energy of the room improves with 100-fold. Especially after I clean and I light up some incense, it's even better. The same can be achieved with your body. When my thoughts are full, I go and take a shower. Then I massage my favorite oils into my hair and into my skin. Then I put on some fresh clothing to empty it. And then I fix my hair. I dab some of my good smelling essential oils behind my neck. It is as if I am preparing myself for creative and positive energy to come and visit me. Because who wants to go and visit someone that is sitting in their stinky pajamas and is surrounded by mess in their home? Yeah, I think clutter attracts clutter also up here. Many people accumulate a lot of stuff over the course of years. Drawers get filled with random items they might not even use anymore, and their shelves get so full of things that they don't even know what's in there. Even if everything is organized neatly, I do think that owning a lot of things fills up your headspace. I came to the conclusion that organized clutter still is clutter, and clutter will most likely result in a cluttered mind. The less you own, the less it weighs you down, the less you need to worry about things. You don't need 5 pairs of scissors. You don't need 5 plain white t-shirts. One is more than enough. This also helped me not to go on scavenger's hunt when I'm looking for my wallet or keys or my phone cable. Of course, you might feel attached to certain things you own, so take it step by step. Eventually, the amazing feeling of letting go will feel so empowering, and your mind will become clearer. Every day we get bombarded by advertisements, commercials, the latest tragic news we mostly can't do anything about. We get a constant influx of social media updates from people we don't even really care about. This influence is powerful. There are also professionals trained in making you want to buy things you don't even need, making you think things you don't want to think of. If you are following people on your Instagram, for example, that are showing off their big villas, their $1 million cars, their $1,000 watches, and you don't resonate with these things, why are you consuming it? Why are you following these outlets? If you truly like it, then keep following it. But if you don't align with these things you are seeing, don't follow it. Your mind will think of whatever you consume on the daily. You will want to talk about it. You will want to compare it to your own life. You will want to consume more of it. Anything you consume on a daily basis is what you will become. So unfollow, block, remove, delete, filter anything you don't resonate with. I stopped watching TV years ago. I also unsubscribed from magazines, from emails I didn't resonate with. I unfollow anything that doesn't inspire me anymore. Now I spend less time on social media consuming and more time creating. Same goes with food, kind of. If I eat more of the healthy food, I don't have much space left for the unhealthy food. Over the course of time, this has led me to desire less, to want less, to become less attached to things. I'm very grateful for what I have in my life right now. My mind feels clearer without all that unnecessary input. I have more control over my mind. I have more space for my own ideas, for my own opinions, for creativity to come in. Deep breathing exercises might be one of the most simplest things you can do to clear your mind. I think people tend to forget about it. Gather all your attention and shift it towards your breath. Then you inhale very deep, down towards your stomach, pause for a moment, and then exhale out through your nose or your mouth. Feel the air going in and out. Listen to the air going in and out. When you feel troubled inside, take a moment for yourself. Close your eyes and take some deep breaths. This always helps me to clear up my mind, even if it's just temporary. I got the advice around the time that I thought I was depressed to write down my thoughts. Every time I was feeling anxious, anytime something was bothering me, I wrote down anything that popped up into my head. It is hard to keep track of and organize all the things that are going on inside of your mind, within your mind. You tend to forget things. For example, the things that you wanted to do today, and when they pop back up, you feel bad because you forgot about them. Grab a piece of paper, grab a piece of pen, and write down whatever pops up into your head. Don't worry about how you write it down. This is for you. This really helped me to get rid of the thoughts in my head, to get them out of my head. I read them, I self-reflect on them, and it's way better to have them on the paper instead of having them juggling inside of your brain. It keeps my mind uncluttered and clear. Take the path you've never been on. Visit that cafe you've never visited. Doing this can make you present instantly. You have to be sharp because everything you are experiencing is a new experience. Now, staying at home can fill your mind up with really common thoughts because everything around you is very common. You're used to it. So entering a new place, a new cafe for example, will stimulate your senses. The colors, the smells, the sounds of the people chattering, and the background music, just the whole energy of that room. When you're going out for your usual stroll, turn right where you usually would have turned left. Go and get yourself a nice cup of tea, but then with a different flavor. Or instead of that usual cup of tea, make yourself a juice. Your brain will be busy with all those new impulses, and you won't be thinking about that stupid thing you said to your neighbor 3 weeks ago. Those were some ways in how to help you get a clear mind. Some will take a bit more effort than others, so please let me know which one you are already applying in your life or which ones you would like to try out. If you have any other ways, please share them down below because other people might find it useful. Also, leave your other comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to let me know. Also, if you're here for the first time, subscribe to my channel and join this outlet of positivity. My other social media links will be in the description box down below, like my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Tumblr, my Snapchat. If you have the time, check out more of my videos. That would be awesome. I am done here. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm sure I'm having a beautiful day. I'm going to the gym right now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.